Welcome to January's Market Update, brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of January. The number of active listings was up 11% from 1 year earlier and down 5% from the previous month. Even so, buyers still enjoy a greater selection of homes today than they did 1 year ago. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just over $260,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was down 46%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just over $50,000. The number of units sold was consistent year over year and held steady month over month, an indication that local market conditions were basically unchanged. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.